Nobody is talking about this AI money method. But today, we're diving into how you can use ChatGPT to find winning dropshipping products. Stay with me because by the end of this video, you'll be equipped with a secret technique to boost your e-commerce game. First, let's set up ChatGPT. Don't worry, it's super easy. Head over to OpenAI's website and create a free account. Once you're in, it's time to start the product hunt. Step 1. Ask ChatGPT what e-commerce products are trending. Type in, what products are trending in 2023 for dropshipping. ChatGPT will provide you with a list of potential products. Make sure to note these down. Let me give you an example. If ChatGPT suggests smart home gadgets, you've got a promising category. But we need to dig deeper. Step 2. Validate these ideas. Ask ChatGPT, why are smart home gadgets trending? You need to understand the why behind each product suggestion. This ensures you are not just chasing hype but identifying real market demand. Now that you have a validated list, it's time to narrow it down. Step 3. Ask ChatGPT for target audiences. Use a prompt like, who buys smart home gadgets? This will give you a clear picture of your potential customers. Are you still with me? Great. Because here's where things get exciting. Step 4. Use ChatGPT to generate marketing angles. Type, how can I market smart home gadgets effectively? ChatGPT will provide innovative angles that will set you apart from your competition. By now, you've got a product, reasons it's trending, an audience, and a unique marketing angle. But we want to ensure success. Step 5. Competition analysis. Ask ChatGPT, who are the competitors for smart home gadgets? Knowing your competitors means you can create strategies to outperform them. Alright, quick recap. You've identified a trending product, understood its demand, targeted your audience, found unique marketing angles, and analyzed the competition, all with the power of AI. Remember, the key is to keep iterating and asking the right questions. ChatGPT is like having an AI business consultant at your fingertips. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more innovative e-commerce strategies. Until next time, happy dropshipping.